Assalamu alaikum and a very warm welcome to everyone. My name is Chaudhry Ahmed Zafar and I'm excited to take you on a journey into the world of cloud computing and Amazon Web Services or AWS. Today's session is not about theory, it is about understanding a powerful technology that shapes our digital future. We will talk about what is cloud computing, how AWS works, and most importantly, how you as a student and future professional can take advantage of this booming field. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get started. What is AWS? As you can see, as you can see, AWS it operates in over 190 countries, powers some of the biggest platforms and apps we use daily. For example, Netflix, aerospace, NASA, Airbnb, and pharmaceuticals Pfizer. Ladies and gentlemen, Netflix uses AWS to stream videos to million worldwide users. NASA stores and possesses space data on AWS. Airbnb and Pfizer and many others rely on it too. AWS is not just for big companies, it's the backbone for businesses of all sizes. AWS Cloud Community. What is AWS Cloud Community? Are you guys aware like what actually is cloud community? What is a community? The term community is defined by things like uh you have the people of similar group, you have the people of similar hobbies, you have the people of uh, similar choices. That's make somehow what is a cloud community. As I discussed, the GDG, Google Developers Club, then we have Microsoft MLSA, Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador Program that have the promotion criteria like Alpha, Beta, and different and Gold. So we have AWS Cloud Community. It's a global network of cloud enthusiasts. AWS also believes in empowering students with the cloud knowledge with the AWS. Then it comes the cloud community. It is a global network of cloud learners and professionals who collaborated, share ideas, and then grow together. Here in Pakistan, the AWS community is growing fast. We have AWS cloud clubs in universities like NUST, ComSats, and others. These clubs provide, like, what are the benefits of joining them? These clubs provide free AWS credits, learning resources, peer to peer learning, mentorship from the professionals. You can even join and even start on AWS Club in your university also. Ladies and gentlemen, the major benefit of AWS Cloud Community. During your degree and engineering program, you can be the part of world most intelligent people's community. You can grow. There's a very famous quotation. If you want to know a person, know by his company. Know by the people of the friends he's going to sit. If you're going to sit with the top notch minds of the industry, if you're going to sit with the people who have the enthusiasm for learning, for growing, for being there, that's the dream. Obviously, that will help you, that will motivate you to be there on your end and reach the top notch mind level. You have a mind, right? But the most sincere thing is that you use your mind with the best potential. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you are the part of such communities, you will collaborate with the people, you will learn, and you will definitely give some innovation to the society. You're going to be pay back to the society. This is what actually the community is doing, and this is why the communities are made. Now going ahead with like actually what is the today's topic, like we all gathered here, you came to the course to learn about the cloud computing, right? So these are the like different benefits of AWS learning clubs in different universities. I already told you that they enhance cloud skills, benefits of students, peer-to-peer learning. I told you already. Now comes the today's topic, that is introduction to cloud computing. What is cloud computing and why we're going to adopt it? Ladies and gentlemen, going with the definition of it. Cloud computing's definition: delivery of computing services, storage, databases, apps over the internet. If I would just simplify it, cloud computing is delivery of services like storage, servers, databases over the internet instead of using local computing. For example, let me give you a very simple example. You have a physical PC that holds an SSD, that holds physical hardware, and that is somehow 520 GB. If you want to increase the hardware, you have to get a new hardware of 1 TB that might cost you around six to $400. I'm talking about the good one. Then if you are like doing this for getting the best of best SSDs, you have to transfer the previous data into it. You have a physical PC must have RAM, ROM, then GPUs, then the graphic cards, all that stuff. I'm talking about the physical attribute of a PC, of a personal computer that is physically existing. Then in the cloud is it is something else. Like you have storage in the different regions of the world in the data centers, like in North Virginia, in Chicago, in USA, in Sydney, in all the different regions where AWS operates. It's different data centers and different servers. Now, exactly what is cloud computing? That you are going, you're not going to have a physical PC, you're going to have a virtual machine. That virtual machine holds the attributes same as they will have a they will have a physical, like they will have RAM, they will have ROM, they will have SSD, but somewhere in the data center. Like, look at the benefit of it. You don't have to manage it, you don't have to take care of it. If anything damages, it's none of your concern, it's none of your business, it's none of your headache, most importantly. Then secondly, the security, the like the your PC can be breached easily, your personal PC, and if anyone has access to your personal PC, he can breach it easily. But while coming to the online, the cloud is not accessible to the all unless and until you have those credentials, you have those IPs. No one can easily access the cloud or the virtual machine. If you want to increase the SSD of your computer, you have to buy the new one, you have to adjust it. But in the cloud, you simply pay a more amount, and the AWS or any cloud provider will exceed or extend the SSD from 520 GB to 1 TB. Your previous data is also secured, your more data is there. So this is we call pay as you go, or like pay as you get the service. Let's break down the slide right now. It is the delivery of the services like cloud, like storage servers and databases over the internet instead of using local computers. Think of a Google Drive. You store files online instead of using on USB. Netflix, you stream shows instead of downloading them. That cloud, that's a cloud in action. With the cloud, you can scale up or down anytime. Pay only for what you see. Access your resources from anywhere. I hope so that this basic introduction of the cloud was good enough for you. and you got understanding what is cloud computing. Now on the next slides we're going to explore what is cloud service models and other things.